Check this out, guys. This is a 1971 Pontiac Firebird. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. Really, really nice paint. Love the color combo. Very unique, a lot different than you usually see these in. Beautiful front end. This is a really, really good looking year. .400 Pontiac V8. It's got some really nice retro wheels on it. They look like the old style, but they're all one piece, 17-inch. And 17-inch in the back. Nitto tires, look really good. Check out this interior, just really great color combo again. Super rich looking, wood grain dash. Door panels, everything's super clean. This car is really tastefully restored. It's got the 400 Pontiac engine in it. It runs really nice. It's got a multi-port fuel injection system on it, air conditioning, power steering, power front disc brakes. Thing fires right up, no problem. That fuel injection. Listen to that engine roar. Even the clock works. You hardly ever see those clocks working. We're going to turn the AC on. It's a hotter day here out in Denver, Colorado. This button here is for the AC compressor. This one here is for the AC compressor. That's what engages it. We're going to get the vents going here. Blows nice and strong. Does have a original looking radio, but it's all been updated. It's a retro sound unit. So we didn't get any sound come out of it here. We can figure out how to use it.
SSDB up to my standards by 3.
Radio comes in nicely. You got power windows. Both work really well. There's your horn. There's your wipers. Another really cool feature in here is you have a power trunk lid release. And it actually works. Really cool. Another cool note in this car is you have this rear console that's said to have been a factory unit. I'm not sure about that myself. It very well could have been a factory option, but looks really nice in between the seats there. And the color and everything matches. Exhaust sounds perfect. Super, super clean trunk. There's your stereo system. Closes nice. All right, there you have it, folks. Pontiac 400 engine, multi-port fuel injection. There's your AC compressor. The clutch is engaged, spinning just like it's supposed to. I'm going to turn it off now. spinning. Nice working AC. Engine sounds really good and healthy. Got hot Mallory ignition components on it. This is the ultimate driver. Oh, and folks, I forgot to mention, this has a Overdrive automatic transmission. This is set up as the ultimate driver, multi-port fuel injection, Pontiac 400, Overdrive automatic transmission, AC, power windows, super comfortable interior. This car is just got it all going on. Very well done. Fit and finish is really nice. Paint, body, interior, also really nice to look at. We're going to look at this bumper here. These are very common to crack on these Firebirds. This has, you know, a couple little small spots in the bumper there. You know, nothing out of the ordinary for something like this. A few spots right there. I love these wheels and tires. Firebird dash was just so cool looking with the way they did the gauges. Awesome design. Door closes nice and easy. The exhaust is fantastic. If you're interested in this 1971 Pontiac Firebird 400 V8, fuel injected, overdrive automatic, power windows, air conditioning, power trunk release, beautiful color combo, nice wheels and tires. Scroll down, there'll be a link in the description, take you right to our website, carsrememberwhen.com. There you can find the full high-resolution photo gallery, including pictures of the undercarriage, as well as the asking price and the write-up on the car. And if you'd like to make an offer or learn more about it, don't hesitate, give us a call. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks for watching.